Hi friends! Welcome back to Utwashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After a very long time, we are finally back. Yes, I know you may have missed us, but it's okay because we are here with an amazing recipe. Today we're gonna make Kadai Paneer. Yes, all the paneer fans can say yay because we're gonna make paneer. Now, here's the catch. We're gonna be making this restaurant-style Kadai Paneer in 15 minutes. You may be wondering, how is that possible? Well, watch and find out. First, we're going to prepare the Kadai Masala mix. Kadai Masala is a rich and flavorful spice blend used in gravies. This method we are showing in today's video is an easy method to make any flavorful gravies of your choice in less than 15 minutes. Here are the ingredients needed to make this spice blend. Alternatively, you can use dry roast whole spices and blend them together. Either way, you'll end up with the same result. We're using this method because the less prep time, the more time to enjoy the paneer. Paneer. This part is going to be really easy. Simply, to a mixing bowl, add in coriander powder, cumin powder, roasted garlic powder, ginger powder, turmeric powder, fennel powder, cardamom powder, cinnamon powder, and red chili powder and mix well. And there we go! The Kadai Masala mix is ready for use. You can store this in an airtight container for up to 2 months. For better freshness, always store spice blends in a refrigerator. Now, onto the ingredients to make the Kadai Paneer. You're gonna need 1 red onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 orange bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, and of course we're gonna need paneer. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of prepared Kadai Masala mix and mix well and set it aside. Grind a big-sized tomato into a fine paste. This took about 5 minutes to prepare everything. Now it's time to finally make the recipe. Heat a pan and add a few tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add in onions and saute. Add salt so the onions can cook faster. Now, onions have sauteed well. Add in diced bell peppers and saute on high heat for another minute. Once the bell peppers are cooked halfway, add the ground tomatoes. Mix well and cover and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add in the prepared yogurt and Kadai Masala mix. One cup of water, mix well. Add the diced paneer, crushed kasur methi mix, well cover, and cook it on medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, remove cover and mix the gravy. Look at how the paneer and the peppers have cooked in the masala. Transfer Kadai Paneer to a serving dish. Garnish with chopped cilantros. Enjoy this delicious restaurant-style Kadai Paneer with roti, naan, or pulao. This is an easy meal recipe for any tiring workday in just 15 minutes. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please
like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget our videos. Bye guys!